Welcome to another update from Force 13's AU channel, where the tropical weather scene continues to develop. And the Solomon Islands, Fiji, Vanuatu, meteorological service officers have various warnings in place. Rain with thunder with possible flooding over low-lying areas near riverbanks over the northern parts of Central Islands, and people are advised to take extra precaution over the affected areas. This is the Vanuatu region. Strong west-southwesterly inland winds at 20 knots and above is also expected over Torba province. And people are advised to take precaution due to broken branches and flying objects. That's just an example of what is being reported. Now we have a look at the Fiji's current service chart. And we have Invest 96P, Tropical Disturbance 08, and a couple of others on the radar, and including ex-tropical cyclone NIUE. 92P is currently located 17.5 degrees south, 177.5 degrees west. Maximum winds 25 knots, and minimum central pressure is 997 millibars. Now we have a look at a couple of tracks on Invest 92, and the colours represent individual models, and the models are there on the right hand side of the screen. The late cycle track guidance, and I'm looking at the UK Met, which is the line in blue. The HWRF is the pink, and a NAFGEM and late cycle intensity guidance shows that a tropical storm. This isn't on the Australian scale, it's the international one, and I have a tropical storm which is Cat 1 in our region. Vanuatu's current service chart. And now we have a look at the NOAA floaters on Invest 92. Now what's the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre say? They have a 286 nautical miles north-northeast at Navai, Fiji, multispectral satellite imagery, and a 89 gigahertz image depicts a increasing organised low-level circulation centre, persistent deep convection over the top, and lies in an area favourable 5 to 10 knots vertical wind shear, favourable eastward outflow, supporting convection. Sea surface temperatures favourable 28-29 Celsius. Global models agree on a southward track in the next several days as the system wraps up and develops, with a possible weak curve to the west afterwards due to cyclone interaction with Invest 96P, which will be to its north. Maximum sustained service winds estimated at 20 to 25 knots. Minimum sea level pressure is estimated to be near 997 millibars. And the centre has the potential for development of a significant tropical cyclone. It's upgraded to medium. Now here's their position. They have upgraded 92P to medium. And we have a look at the Pivotal Weather website. It's the GFS precipitation model. Force 13's AU channel will continue to bring the latest information re the developing tropical scene. And there's no doubt from information that I've cited on the Bureau's website that Invest 96P is to develop and should be down around 990 millibars by tea time tonight. And instability from 7 AM through to the same period tomorrow. And when you look at the purple, the brightest colour represents the higher instability level. Now it's the wind probability model. Each of these images are 3-hourly periods, and the information is at the bottom of the screen. Strong wind warning in place for the far northwest, upper east, southwest, central west coast, Tasmania, storm probability. And for the southwest lakes, the small craft alert is in place. For New South Wales, strong wind warning, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans, Eden coast. Victoria, the west coast, then they upgrade to gale warning the west coast, central Gippsland and east Gippsland. Strong wind warning in place for the central coast, south central coast, Investigator Strait and lower southeast coast, and the Bureau in Adelaide has cancelled the upper southeast coast. Now on the screen is a look at the Invest 92p, the life of the system up to a few hours ago. Invest 96p is currently located near 18.2 degrees south, 156.2 degrees east. It's about 533 nautical miles east of Cairns. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has Invest 96p as low percentages at this point in time. And the current location is 17.4 degrees south, 159 east, maximum winds 25 knots, minimum central pressure 997 millibars. And here's a look at some tracks. When viewing non-official weather sources, caution needs to be applied. The information does change considerably, but these images just show what is possible. It's far too early to say what these investigators do. And also in the picture we need to consider the steering ridges or steering mechanisms and the Bureau's 12-hourly 24-hour rainfall. And here in Brisbane, overcast conditions. There's been a little bit of rain, only light drizzle. The Bureau's total forecast of rain, and the west coast of Tasmania, Cape York region, the Kimberley near Kununurra up there on the Northern Territory WA border, and finally the upper level divergence. The divergence picture has changed. The wind shear, the red's unfavourable, green's favourable. 24-hour shear tendency, and the white is increasing, the blue is decreasing. And finally, in this update, the 850 millibar vorticity. And as mentioned, we will continue to bring the latest information across today.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.